Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V, and in today's video I am going to use some colors. Don't know what colors yet, but we're going to do it. Can you see? Remember, if you wear glasses like me and you put eyeshadow on or makeup and you need to see better, always get a magnifying mirror. A magnifying mirror is your best friend. They have different strength of magnifying mirror. You can get a small one, you can get a big one, you can get a medium one. I have 1, 2. They have both sides, so I'll use one side for something and then I'll turn it around and go close. When you see me that close, I am looking into the magnifying mirror. So don't be afraid to get a magnifying mirror so you can see what you are doing. Now I'm using my magnifying mirror. Don't ever be ashamed to do the things that work for you. We have glasses on, we see. We take them off, we see, but we don't see as clear as when we have them on. We find things that work so we can function. Find things to function. Trying the yellow. I think I took too much on the brush right now. This yellow is very, very light, but it's pretty. I'm going all under my brow. Okay, I need to blend this thing to make it look good. Okay, to prevent this video from being long, I'm going to blend the other one off camera and I'll be back, right? See you soon. I am back with the makeup of the day. I use the Flamingo palette by Voss, and these are the two colors that I used today, pink and yellow. The pink is in the crease and on the lids. The yellow is above the crease and into the brow bone. Those are the two colors from this palette. This palette is very pretty. I love it. I keep forgetting there's a color that's not stuck. This is it. And this color is loose, so it keeps falling. I have to remember to glue it back down. The glue dried on the rim. Anyways, please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And take your palettes out. Play in some makeup. Do whatever makes you feel happy with your palettes. And then if you want, tag me in a video. And I will see you in another video. Makeup of the day, Violet Voss, pink and yellow. Beautiful, I love it. Bye, 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 bye.